Hey guys, so today it's sunshiny, it's not 500 degrees out, so we're gonna take these two for a little hikey hike. I want to say hi to the welcome to the YouTube and the families.
Hi, it's still pushing 90 degrees here though.
He's lying. It is currently, the car says 90, but the weather app says it's 84, so we're gonna go with that. Okay, so here goes. Miss Heike. Your beer. You're sniffing it all. Sniffing at all the things. Good girl, sissy.
Train over here? Say that again.
That was cool. I wish I got that on my phone.
When's that air show coming?
It's coming soon. We'll have to look and see online.
This is so nice out here.
Well, how's your walk?
Walk's pretty good out here. 90 degrees.
It's pretty hot. I take it back. It's hot. You're not in the shade. You're cooking.
Oh, lots of bugs out here.
It is pretty out here, though.
I saw a Wichita fighter jet take off somewhere.
We did. We did. That was pretty cool. The sound of that was so intense.
I thought that was a freaking train coming through here.
Yeah, there's no train tracks nearby. Just so you know.
I didn't know there was an airport nearby either.
What do you think there, Puka Bear? Hey. Are you having fun? Oh, you Sissy. Oh, baby girls. I love you. What is that thinkers? Oh, we're so jealous. Shall we keep walking? In case you're new to the channel, I feel like we need to introduce you to our babies.
I can sit.
They are both certified service dogs, and they're the best dogs, like, ever. Like, I know a lot of people say that, but our dogs legit are the best. This is Ika. Ike. Ika is obviously a full-bred German Shepherd, sable. Everybody wants to know if she's something else. She's not. She's a shepherd. She's sable. She's beautiful, and we love her.
And she grumbles at everybody. She grumbles at my director, my coach, my IT team, the cleaning crew. She grumbles at everybody.
Ika is very territorial of her dad, especially when mom's not around. Dad will never be able to get away with cheating because...
I thought I would ever try.
He would never be allowed to get away with it because Ika wouldn't allow it. She won't let anybody get near him. Oh. And this lovable creature on the ground is Duke. Duke is taking a little nappy nap. Puka Bear, say hi. This is Duke. Duke is my service dog. Duke right here. Duke up here. Hey. Duke, right here. Good boy. There he is. He's my little dumpster mutt. He's a sweetheart. He loves people. So initially we adopted Duke as a pet long before we ever trained him as a service dog. And they found Duke's litter of puppies by a dumpster. Literally a dumpster. There was 8 puppies. They all had ringworm and fleas. They were all eaten up. Well, anyway, we went to this place to adopt a dog, and my husband thought he was going to adopt a shepherd. We had just lost a dog. My husband wanted a shepherd really bad, and so he thought he was going to adopt a shepherd. Well, surprise, we didn't leave with a shepherd. We left with Duke. The vet did their initial exam of Duke, and they were like, well, he's got a heart murmur. You're probably not going to want to adopt him. You don't want him. I'll let you guys think about it. Well, she left us in the room. It took us about 20 seconds to look at each other and say, no, the dog is going home with us. When she came back, we're like, nope, he's coming home with us. My husband has had issues with his heart. I haven't, thrown him to the curb yet. So the dog's ours. He's going home with us. Well, how many months later was it? We went and took him to have another exam, and maybe 2 months,
I remember.
something like that. 2 or 3 months later, we take him for another exam at the same vet's office. A different vet sees him. This dog doesn't have a heart murmur. What are they talking about? Nothing's wrong with the dog. He's just fine. Several months later, I guess he was about maybe 4 or 5 months old. He eats a piece of his toy, and he has to have stomach surgery. Yeah, that was traumatic for both of us. But he lived to tell the tale, and he's literally the best dog that ever lived. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah, and the place in Nashville where we got him and took him for care, they would have killed his ass.
They would have, because they gave us just a bunch of fluid and stuff and said, oh, we'll just bring him back if he's still feeling funky. And well, we took him to a different vet, and they did surgery to get all the crap out of his stomach.
They did emergency surgery.
They did.
He was on his Duke was on his deathbed.
For sure. But he lived another day.
And he's doing just fine.
He's the best dog ever. He's living the best life.
I grew his heart murmur.
He's the best.
And Duke, since he's got a pretty long history of being a pet at home, he still begs for food like crazy. He's like white on rice.
Except he does not do it when we go out. If we're out at a restaurant, he's the best dog. He gets under the table like he's supposed to, lays down, minds his own business. Unless I have something that he's alerting me to, he leaves me alone. He knows what he's supposed to do. I feel like he is figuring out where he can get away with his little vices, and where he's
He's got it figured out. He's got it figured out. And on public, he's spot on. Out at home, he's right here looking for food.
Yeah. So today, Clint had a burger, some leftovers from supper last night, and Duke was smelling the air, and every bite Clint would take, it was, can I have some? Gotta love a little sunshine, a little fresh air, get a little vitamin D, get a little sweaty. It's kind of neat. They've painted these sewer caps. It's really pretty. I think it's really pretty. All right, folks, so we're done with our hike through Pawnee Prairie Park in Wichita, Kansas.
Hike's used pretty loosely there, I think.
Yeah, we only did, so we did 2 miles, just under 2 miles.
On flat land, on concrete.
No, it's more exercising that he would have done on his own.
Yes.
So getting a little vitamin D and getting some sunshine and some fresh air, that was nice today. The doggies are quite tired, so I think we're gonna go home. I tried to convince Clint to let us stop at Dutch Brothers on the way home because we just got one here in Wichita, but doesn't sound like he's in the mood.
Too out for coffee.
Ice is nice. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, smash the subscribe button. Leave us some comments down in the bottom. Let us know what you think and what else you might like to see in Wichita, Kansas, and we'll be happy to check it out for you.
Don't forget that notification bell.
Yep, ring that bell so you see our uploads every time we upload, and